Hey, what's going on, good people? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today, we taking on the steak au poivre.
Steak au poivre pepper steak is a French dish that consists of a steak coated with cracked peppercorns and then cooked.
This is not just gonna be your regular steak au poivre, blah, blah, blah. We're gonna turn it into the ultimate steak sandwich. This is gonna be the one, kicked up all the way to the max. This is Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. Episode 24. Let's go, baby. Welcome back, good people. Listen, we're gonna start off with a nice caramelized onion for this ultimate steak au poivre sandwich. So let's get us a Vidalia onion. We're not dicing it. We're gonna put a slice on this onion. This is a yellow onion, the sweet stuff. Don't get a white onion. It definitely make a difference. The flavor is way too strong. Didn't work for me. Thick. Let's see what we got. I'll show you what I'm doing. This size right here, half an inch, quarter inch, somewhere in there. This is the big dog sandwich, man. This is the sandwich for the king. Sandwiches damn near got royalty in it. So let's start off in this small cast iron pan with a tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. From there, we want to get these babies in. Get them in, let them do their thing, like a medium heat. We want these onions to cook down nice. To these onions, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of SPG. Of course, we gotta hit it with a teaspoon of the magic dust, teaspoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of worship seed sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Then we wanna let these onions cook down and become nice and soft and real translucent. Ultimate steak au poivre sandwich. So let those onions do their thing. Don't act crazy. Do your thing now. This is what we got. We have a Wagyu ribeye. You can see all the marbling and the fat content through this meat. You can eat this meat right now, just like that. Look how tender it is starting out. Steak au poivre S. It's heavy on the black pepper. So this is what we have. We have the fresh black peppercorns right here. Fresh black peppercorn. You can grind them up and do it yourself, but we want that bite. We want the real deal steak au poivre. And we have the rock salt. Actually, this is Mediterranean sea salt. We did about 2 tablespoons of each. Black peppercorns and 2 tablespoons of Mediterranean sea salt. We're gonna crack it just like this. This is basically gonna be my crust for my steak. We still got some big chunks of the peppercorns in there, but a lot of it grind down. We searing our steak off in this cast iron skillet on both sides, bringing it up to temperature. We're gonna make it real nice. This is what we're gonna do. Let's add about a tablespoon of soy and a tablespoon of olive oil. The soy is gonna give it an extra kick of flavor, that umami flavor that everybody know and love so well, baby. This is a king sandwich. So let's get that mixed up, and that's what we basting our steak with. Top of the line olive oil, top of the line soy sauce. King talk, baby. This is king talk. Only for my jam pack cookers, we making it look like this. It's glistening. But this is a big piece of meat, so we don't have to be light with it. We're gonna get it on there, good and thick, a thick layer. Fresh cracked black pepper on it. Kick it up to a whole nother level. Everybody can't do this. For the ones that can, hit it with the magic dust, baby. Lock it in with the magic dust. Gotta do both sides. I wanna see some smoke kicking up off that thing, just like that. We're gonna go in 2 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was 2 though? Yeah, that was 3. All right, check this out. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To flavor that oil up, we're gonna go with the butter, baby. Don't act crazy on me, butter. Let me get my spoon for my butter, just in case my butter wanna give me trouble. Look at, you hear that? That's what you wanna hear every time you lay that steak down there. That's what you wanna hear. Make sure everything is cooking evenly, just like that. Give it a little press, make sure everything is making contact with the cast iron, baby. I'm gonna go maybe another 30 seconds, because we want this crispification to the max, baby. Let's peek. Come on in here. Let's take a peek, Jam Pack Cookers. I'm gonna do it this way so y'all can see too. That looks good, but it's not looking where we want it. I want that crispification, maximization. You can't rush it. You can't fight fate. You can't fight fate, baby. So let this steak do its thing. Don't overcook the Wagyu with the Swagyu. Roll it back. We're gonna call this Swagyu today. Instead of Wagyu, this is Swagyu. Because this is a king sandwich, so we gotta talk that king talk. Swagyu today, baby. Yeah, we're approaching greatness. We're approaching greatness. That's the smell. Yes, that's it right there. Yeah, that's the greatness that I speak of. Look at that. Give it a flip. Give it a flip. And like I say, this is Swagyu. So she gonna wanna fall apart on you and all that extra stuff, man. But let's keep it cordial. Everybody's happy right now. I've been doing this a while so I can touch her and know how she feeling. If I put my hands on her, I know how she feeling. But if you don't, get yourself a thermometer, an Insta-read thermometer, you know, because they got all this and, you know, that there. But it works. It works. You know, they say if you rare, medium, well, you know, that thing. I'm going to go ahead and touch on it right quick and make sure. Yeah. That's it right there. We got some peppers here, sweet bell peppers. We got a red and an orange sweet bell pepper. Take off the top, just like that. It's that easy. That's what we're gonna do real quick. We're gonna strip these out, all right? Real thin strips, just like that. Let's get these minced up real quick. Because the last thing you wanna do is bite into your sauce, into your sandwich. Or you call this a sauce, or whatever you may call it. Have some crazy different type of chunks in there, you know? If everything is minced, let everything be minced, baby. So that's what we got. The minced, sweet bell peppers. We got to have the garlic. Then smash them up. Hit them. You smash too. And then the same scenario, all right? Mince them up. Real fine cuts on this garlic. Just get a real nice mix. And to this pan, what you want to do? A tablespoon of butter. And a tablespoon of the olive oil. Low and slow movement, all right? Not too much. Let's cook those down. Let that come real translucent for this king sandwich real quick. We handling everything with care and we handling it like royalty. That garlic and them peppers are just fine. Right at the end, we're gonna get us some scallions in. Take the tips off. Let's get these in our sauce. Just to kick it up a notch and give me that umami.
Say what?
The umami, baby. Hit them with the Worcestershire sauce. Half a teaspoon of each. Soy sauce. A Yukon Gold. Aloo. Aloo is potato in Hindu. So we want to do with these potatoes, we're going to go boom, boom. 2 cuts, just like that. Want to handle them a little rough. And we just basically getting everything down to bite size. We got to get the crispification on these. We coming right over with this greatness. Yeah, everybody get the love. Don't leave nobody out. Everybody need love. SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. Right over these things. It's a half a tablespoon. And of course, the magic dust, baby. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. Hit it with the fresh olive oil. The fresh olive oil, tablespoon of olive oil. So we're gonna get them in the oven to get some of that crispification on these boys. We got those like that. We got this oven kicked up to about 350. I think we're gonna kick it on up to 450 because we want these to get some crispification on it. Don't let everybody be all hanging around each other acting like they're scared. Space them out a little bit to get some of that air flowing through there. Get them in the oven, baby. That's right. Yukon Gold. Yukon Gold. We got our steak done. We got our sauteed onions. We got the taters going. Listen, it's time for what makes this steak au poivre Swagyu sandwich. Sauce, baby. 1 shot of Tennessee whiskey to start it off. 1 shot of Tennessee whiskey. The same pan that Swagyu was bought up to temp in. A tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper in there starting off. We got this Tennessee whiskey, that is. Just like that, baby. The Swagyu. So we're gonna let all that cook down and get the rest of this Swagyu in there. Make sure everything is cooked down right, baby. The same thing that shielded this Wagyu gave us this here, this grass-fed heavy whipping cream. Yeah, look at that color. It's bonito, very beautiful. Give it a whisk. Whisk it up. All them flavors that's coming, that black pepper, the garlic, the sweet peppers. Let it do its thing. Let this do its thing. Let it come down. Let it thicken up and just become greatness. All right. So the sauce done did its thing. We handled it with care. You know. So check this out. Look at the consistency of this sauce now. If you swipe that pan, you see how it make that sauce a whole. It stands up. So at this point, it's time to take our sauce to the next level because we're not equal. 2 ounces of American cheese. Slightly, you want to let this cheese begin to melt. Gentle, baby, handle with care. All right, that's gonna be ooey gooey and delicious. Luxurious sauce. Let that sauce be great, take it off the heat and get it in the warm spot. A lot of time you have to pay for quality. We going for greatness. If you're okay with being basic, then be okay with being basic. But don't push your base ability. Do not push your base ability on the others that have the ability to be great and let that marinate. Smash some garlic. It's a generous clove of garlic. And we're gonna get a nice slice on this end. It's still early in the quarter. And in this world already suffering from a great loss. You know, the mumble. Kobe Bryant, R.P. Kobe and his daughter Gigi, and all the other people that's lost their lives in that accident. That was very tragic. But we have to learn one thing from things like that happen in this world. It's all out of our hands. Believe in the Most High, believe in yourself, build your legacy that you can leave here, because we definitely leaving. That was a bad way. RP to the mumble, man. Enough on that. Half a teaspoon of olive oil in that pan with the garlic and the butter. Garlic butter, it's time for it to come off. So we're gonna try our best to go right back in this little container. Cut your fire back on your cast iron. Go back in with your garlic butter. Go gently. Make sure everything is cooking evenly while I put the rest of this garlic butter on the bottom bun. This is all about royalty and loyalty today, man. Loyalty before royalty. All my kings and queens out there know your worth, know who you are. Tablespoon of the olive oil, and I guess I can get about a teaspoon of that garlic butter. Huevos, 1 egg. Over easy. Set them down in there. Gently. You know we're going with a little fresh cracked black pepper, SPG. Without the seasoning, we can't really be as great as we want to be. Let that be great just like that. We're gonna set them to the side. We let this steak rest. Steak ready to fall apart on us right now. That's just how we want it, man. A nice medium to medium well. That's how we like our steak cooked over here at Jam Pack Cooking. So we'll get us some thin slices off of it. When we get the extra little fatty like that, it don't upset us at all. It's time to put this baby together. So what we gonna do, let me show you how we do this. Bottom bun. This steak has to be built with care. Wagyu. So it's got to be dripping swag everywhere. Half pound of the fatty Wagyu, baby. Take your time. Do it right. The special caramelized onions. I told y'all we was dripping. Loyalty before royalty. Gotta get your respect. Look at that. Don't pretend as if you don't know what we did. You know what we did. Wait a minute. This is the steak à poivre S Wagyu, aka Swagyu. Just so we all can see. Jam Pack Cookers. What can I say? What can I say? Say less. That's what I say. Say less. This one gonna need a whole bunch of towels. Wagyu steak à poivre S royalty steak sandwich. Do this for all my Jam Pack cookers out there. This is for you. Come here. Come here. And this one is for Kobe. Come here. I need a minute. My God. Subscribe to the channel. Try to get to 500 bucks. Peace and love. I'm gone.